Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to turn off efficiency mode in Windows 11 to make your apps run at full performance. First of all, open the Task Manager. To open the Task Manager, you can search your Task Manager, or you can simply press Ctrl plus Shift ESC, that is the shortcut of Task Manager, and open it. Then go to the Details or Processes tab. You will see the Details tab over here and find app you want to disable efficiency mode for. Efficiency mode is usually enabled on resource heavy apps by default. Then turn off efficiency mode. Right click the app. After right clicking on the app, you will see the efficiency mode over here. And if it is checked, you can click it on uncheck and disable it, and confirm option will appear, and simply confirm it. The app will now run at full performance, and that's it. Efficiency mode is now turned off for your apps in Windows 11. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.